the promised land. Angels in heaven come sign my name. If you don't believe that I've been redeemed, the angels in heaven come sign my name. Just follow me down to the Jordan stream.